Hey Plan Fam, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by and we hope you stick around. If you're returning, welcome back friends. Today I'm doing a slightly different video actually. I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite Amazon finds for home decor. I live in an apartment. I have to be savvy when it comes to using my space and maximizing my storage. So I wanted to share with you several things that I've purchased over the last couple years while furnishing my space that I think you might enjoy and or want to use for your own decor. And everything that will be featured in this video will be linked in the description below. I will share my affiliate links, which do provide a small commission to my channel, but I always use those funds to reinvest in creating great content for you. If there's anything that you like in today's video, make sure you check out those links. All right, so let's get started. When I first moved in, the very first thing that I knew I needed and wanted for my space was a blue velvet sofa. I spent months and months looking online, different websites, different places to find the perfect sofa for my space. I knew it couldn't be too big. I didn't want it too bright. I didn't want it too loud and overwhelming, but I wanted it to be classy and sexy and beautiful. And thankfully, Amazon came to the rescue. I was able to find this beautiful, stunning, micro suede sofa for less than, get this, less than $500. What? Now let me tell you this exact same sofa retailed on other websites for well over $1,200. And initially when I started looking at it, I was like, that's past my budget. I don't think I want to do that just yet, or I'll just have to put it on the wish list. But I saved it on my Amazon wish list, which is my first tip to you. If you're wanting to look for good bargains in home decor, make sure you start an Amazon wish list. Save the things that you love on your wish list and then watch over time, at least 30 days, I would say, if you can wait it out. If you have the patience, wait the 30 days and see if the price will drop. Because I did that with this sofa, and it literally went from over $1,500 to one night, me sitting up, not able to sleep, scrolling through my wish list, and it was $400. Seriously. And it is the exact same sofa on other websites for over $1,200. In fact, and I'll even put a screenshot up, on Amazon, it was still retailing later on for over $1,700, okay? So it is truly a find and a gem. I love the gold studs going down the side, and actually, I will say this, on the website when I was looking at the sofa, it did say the studs were going to be silver. But I read the comments. Tip number 2, always read the comments. I read the comments, and they did say if you get the blue sofa, the studs are not white. They're going to be gold. They're going to be, I would actually say more like bronzy in this case. But I actually like that because it allowed me to eventually start playing with mixed metals in my apartment, which is something that also works for my aesthetic. I like things classy and sophisticated. So I don't like a lot of rhinestones. I don't like a lot of sparkles, sequins, all those kind of things. I like things that are more high-end textures and or muted solid tones or sophisticated patterns. And then I like to add in the glitzy glam stuff with my accessories. So you'll see a lot of that. So the one thing I really do love about it is, one, it is so comfortable. Absolutely comfortable. I've had it for 2 years now. I've actually had people spend the night and sleep on this sofa and tell me it feels like a bed. Like, it is really, really comfortable. But it also has the tufting back, which I love.
So there have been times where I actually just took everything off and just let the tufting speak for itself. If you're that person that likes simplicity but also elegance, this is a very good option for you. And I think it comes in other colors as well. Don't quote me. At the time when I was looking at this, I know they had blue. I want to say they had gray and maybe black. And if it's still on the Amazon site, obviously I'll link it. But yes, and it also comes with chairs. So if you're that person that says, well, I want my sofa to have matching, accent chairs, this set did come with chairs. Obviously, everything is sold separately. So I was able to only get the sofa, but you can also purchase the chairs if you need that for your space, depending on how much space you have. So once again, my absolute fave piece for my living room and the anchor for my space is my blue suede sofa, which I absolutely love. It was worth every penny. And as I mentioned, if you follow the tips that I share with you throughout this video, you will find, guaranteed, if not this, other decor that you will love that meets your aesthetic at really good prices. So, continue watching. All right, so the second thing that I want to share with you as one of my favorite Amazon finds is my glass coffee table. A very similar model was being sold at a luxury furnishing store that I love to walk through to get ideas for decorating my space. But it was a bit pricey. So, Amazon to the rescue. I went online, looked for options with a similar layout, and was able to come across this beauty here. I absolutely love the double layered glass setting. It gives you a lot of space to be able to decorate if you're that person that likes to play around with your coffee table decor, which I do seasonally. This isn't a home decor video. I am not an interior designer, but I did want to share with you this incredible coffee table because, yet again, I found it at a really great price, put it on my wish list, and waited for it to drop to an amount that was within my budget. And I absolutely love it. It came fast. They scheduled the delivery, dropped it off, and I was able to put it together by myself, which was absolutely great. And now, my third Amazon steal is my beautiful TV console table. I wanted to find something that was classic, elegant, and a little glitzy, but also very chic. I actually happened to stumble across this TV console stand while looking for other items on Amazon. I saw it in the background of a picture someone posted with their home decor, and I fell in love with the design on the doors. I love how it has the scroll detail here, and then the doors actually are glass inside, but it just had a really elegant and high-end look to it, and it's very sturdy, solid wood. I was really trying to figure out where in the world did they find this console table. So, Amazon to the rescue. I started searching for different options under, TV stand, TV console, wood furniture, like all the right keywords. That is my third tip. Try to narrow down keywords based on specifically what you're trying to find. So, I knew what I had in mind, and it was just a matter of whether or not Amazon had a version of it. So, I put in wood console table with glass doors. Yes, it's a lot. It's a handful, but it narrowed down console table, TV stand, all those other things to get closer to what I wanted. And then I actually started to see similar results to this. And also, Amazon started recommending things. That's another thing to keep an eye on. Amazon's recommendations, whether it's on your homepage or whether it's while you're looking at other items. As you scroll through the pages, you probably notice that they tend to target certain things that you've been searching for recently. So I saw this in like a sky blue color. Like, that's the console table. That is the TV stand I want. And I was able to find it, click on it. I didn't want the blue version of it. And I think the seller at that time was selling like blue and black. But I was able to find similar items in that same listing that provided it in this champagne gray color. It has lots of storage space. I actually use it to store my home decor, seasonal decor. So it's a nice way to showcase it, but also hide it at the same time. And funny enough, I actually purchased my television as well on Amazon. It's the Sony 85-inch television. If it's still available, I'll link it as well in the description. But I was worried because of the size of it. I knew I wanted something big to kind of take up a good bit of the space in my living room, but I wasn't sure what type of TV stand would be able to accommodate such a large screen, and this worked out perfectly. So I definitely wanted to share that with you guys, and I definitely recommend this, and we'll have it linked in the description below. Okay, so for another one of my Amazon finds, I wanted to share this cute little fireplace set that I purchased. I looked at quite a few cast iron versions because my fireplace is black, but I thought that that would end up getting swallowed up by the background of the fireplace, and I wanted something that stood out a bit more, especially since I ended up putting up toweling around my fireplace. And so this actually turned out to be a really nice find. It comes with the brush, it comes with the scoop, it comes with the little to move the coals around, and then it also has a cute little hook. I like the fact that each of the pieces kind of hang on these little nails that come out of the sides of it, and it's just very sleek, very simple, but very nice. It also plays off of not so much chrome because it's actually not really shiny. It's actually more of a like a brushed nickel finish, and I just love it because once again it plays off of the tiles around my fireplace, but then it also kind of stands on its own as a nice piece of decor. I found this on Amazon. I want to say less than $50. I will link it in the description in case you're interested. Another great Amazon find that I wanted to share with you guys is this beautiful mirror. I looked for quite a few different options in order to anchor my dining space in my apartment, and I wanted something yet again sophisticated, glitzy, but also very chic. And I saw a similar model at that same luxury furniture retailer, and unfortunately by the time I actually was ready to purchase the mirror that I saw initially, it was sold out. So I went on Amazon to see if I could either find that same model or something similar, and guess what, girl? I found something better. So I really love the sunburst design of this mirror. It has multi dimensions. It's actually very high quality. It's heavy, it's sturdy. The pieces here are each individually placed. It's just a really, really, really nice piece. They packaged it very well in terms of shipping it. I was really worried because some of the comments mentioned people getting it and parts of the individual pieces were either broken or cracked and things like that. But no, they actually packed it incredibly well. So I did not have to worry about that. And once again, it was another great find and still on Amazon. So I will link it in the description below in case you're interested. One of the great things that I love about this particular jewelry holder is the fact that it comes with so much storage inside. So it allows you to hang all of your earrings inside, your bracelets, your necklaces. It actually has 2 rows for those. It has 2 arms for the bracelets. It has quite a few racks for the different earrings. Then it also comes with these really nice LED lights. There are different models online, I will say, that have fewer LED lights, but this one in particular Once again, I put it on my wish list, waited until it went down. I think it was like 20% off by the time I actually purchased it. But I love the fact that it gives such good lighting, even in times when I don't have a lot of lighting, like say early in the morning and I'm getting dressed for work. So I really do like that, and it just gives it an extra touch of class also to have the kind of light shining down. I use it to store, obviously, my makeup pencils and some of my hair clips and safety pins, but these little plastic containers can be used for essentially anything. I just love the extra storage here. This is actually for rings. I don't have a whole lot in my collection, obviously, but it does give me lots of space as I continue to add to my collection. And then this space here, the 3 or 4 shelves, actually can be used for quite a few things. It actually locks. So it opens and closes and locks. You can take your keys with you if you leave the house and or go on vacation and you're concerned or worried about your jewelry. You'll have your keys with you and no one can get into your jewelry box. So I really do love that piece as well, and highly recommend it if you're looking for a nice way to store not just your jewelry but also other important valuable things that you might have. Speaking of artwork, I love these beautiful wrought iron wall hangings that I have in my apartment. They bring together the silver and gold concept so I don't have to stress about choosing either metal tone. I can pull them together, and it also aligns with the straight lines concept that I wanted throughout my home. They are gorgeous, and I'll link them below. I also wanted to share these beautiful acrylic handles that I have in my kitchen. They are great for accenting cabinets or any other decor that you might need them for. If you're a techno geek like me, you will absolutely love the Alexa Show 15. I recently got this for Christmas, and I love that I can watch my favorite Netflix shows and or download my YouTube videos that I enjoy to watch, or just scroll through the weather or ask Alexa for information about different things, including recipes. It's touchscreen, so I can scroll up and down the pages, and once again, it just helps keep our family organized. I will link it in the description below. In my bathroom, I have this really pretty glass stand that I use to put decor and or additional bathroom accessories. I like to store magazines here, extra toilet paper, a bubble bath, other things like that. But it's a really pretty, nice aesthetic in the bathroom. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it was very easy to assemble. I'll include that link as well in the description. If you're looking for the perfect little piece of sparkle and shine to add to your space, I highly recommend these crystal curtain tie backs. They are very pretty and aesthetic and beautiful when the light catches them. They have a magnetic clasp in the back that allows you to easily take it apart and be able to open and close your curtains with ease. They're just beautiful to look at. As I said, a real high end addition to your space. And last but not least, I wanted to share with you these beautiful glass and chrome bookcases that I found for my daughter's bedroom. She also has a second one in order to keep all of her personal goods, candles, and jewelry and things like that. But they are just so elegant, so simple, but chic. And I will have a link in the description below for those as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care, friends.